A wooden toy was made by scooping out a hemisphere of same radius from each side of the solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, let's note that down. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its radius is 3.5, find the volume of the wood of the toy. So let's try to understand what the question is saying. So first of all, it is saying a wooden toy was made by scooping out a hemisphere. So let's consider this, and if we will scoop out from it, it becomes a hemisphere. So wooden toy was made something like this, of the same radius from each side. From both sides it is scooped, so it becomes like this. Now what it is saying, the height of this cylinder, the height is given, we have given the height, h is equals to 10 centimeter and its base radius is 3.5. This is 3.5 centimeter. We have given this. We need to find the volume of the wood of the toy. It means we need to find the volume, the capacity of this wooden toy. So let's find out how we can find the capacity of this wooden toy. First of all, this is the problem we have given. We have given this radius, both of the sides, and this height of the cylinder. If we need to find the diameter, then what we can do, the diameter is twice of radius. We have already know the radius, so the diameter becomes 7 centimeter. We might not need it, but we just know that how we can find this. So we have given the height, the radius of the cylinder, that is given to us. So we need to find the volume of the wooden toy. So volume of this cylinder minus twice the volume of each hemisphere. From both hemisphere we need to subtract this, so we will left with this shaded part in here. So total volume minus twice, because we have both two hemispheres, minus both the volumes of these hemispheres. So we have the formula for total volume, pi r square, h we have radius, we have height, minus twice of 2 by 3 pi r cube, that is the radius or volume of two hemispheres. So by calculating these hemispheres, we will have the volume of wooden toy is approximately 205.33 centimeter per cube.